In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an ElevenLabs API key. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to use the ElevenLabs API key for apps, automations, or services like NAN, Make, Zapier, or your own code, you first need to create that API key. So the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs.io, sign into your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and click on the Developers tab, bottom left-hand corner of the page. Now, under Developers, click on the API keys. Then we want to click on Create a New Key. So click on Create New Key, give this a name, so name it. Then we want to go ahead and give this some permissions. So by default, new API keys are restricted now. So select the permissions your project requires. So common permissions include text to speech, speech to text, speech to speech, voice cloning, voice library, audio isolation, conversational AI. So if you're unsure which permission you'll need, you can temporarily disable restrictions, although ElevenLabs recommend only enabling the permissions your application actually uses for better security. We can also set limits on these as well. So if we want, go ahead and click on Create Key. There's the key here. So you can see here, that's the key. I'm going to delete this key after this video so people can't use it. And in saying that, keep that key safe and yeah, treat it like a password. Now from here, go ahead and copy that key and use that key into any of your projects.